Hello everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So open up the NGL application, and then once you open it up, here you will be finding a link. All you gotta do is simply tap on copy link from this here. And once the link is copied, you may go ahead and close the application and move over to your Facebook application. So once you are logged in, what you need to do is, in order to share it, you can either share it to a story or a post. So if you want to share it on post, what you can do is simply tap on what's on your mind from your screen. You can tap on it at the above. After tapping on it in this what's on your mind section, tap on it. After that, go ahead and paste the link that you would like to share. Once it is pasted, you can tap on the next icon at the top right directly and tap on post again. And then once that is done, your NGL link will be shared on your Facebook account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.